Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on this halo braid. If you don't know, I'm newly natural and I'm determined to do hairstyles besides a puff or a faux top knot, and this turned out pretty cute and was easy to do. It's the perfect kind of hairstyle that's last minute and you don't know what to do your hair but you still want to be cute. What you're going to need is a brush, gel, rubber bands, bobby pins, hair accessories, and of course the braiding hair. So what you want to do is take the hair out of the packaging and go ahead and feather the ends simply by pulling on random pieces, and you want to keep doing that until it looks something like this. Now you can go ahead and attach the rubber band to the braiding hair, and I did use 1.5 packs. After that, you want to go ahead and braid the hair down. Sorry, I didn't include footage of me doing that. Now, as for your actual hair, you want to make sure it's slicked down. You can do a middle part, you can do a side part, you can have no part at all, but I went ahead and did a middle part. And you want to make sure your bun in the back or braid in the back is as small as possible. Mine isn't that small. This is what I'm working with, so I'm just gonna go with it. Now you can attach the rubber band to your puff or braid in the back, and you want to try to conceal that as much as possible with the braiding hair. After that, you can go ahead and start to lay the braid around your head. You can put the braid close to your edges or further away. It's all up to you. And you want to make sure you secure the placement of your braid with bobby pins, because if you don't, it will slip and slide all over the place and it won't be cute. As for the tail end, you can go ahead and cut off the extra piece if you have extra like me. Go ahead and tuck that under or over where the bun is in the back. And since you feather the ends, it'll be easier to conceal rather than it being a very blunt end. Now you can go ahead and add hair accessories, or you cannot add hair accessories. Either way, I think it's really cute, but that's pretty much it to this hairstyle, and we're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below something that you're thankful for, and happy Thanksgiving if you guys celebrate, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.